Hey, I'm Prathmesh Krisang, co-founder of Magic Leaf, and I'm one of the customers of Phynart. Now, this story will relate a lot with you. जब भी हम बाथरूम से बाहर आते हैं तो बटन बंद करना भूल जाते हैं, लाइट बंद करना. एंड माई वाइफ यूज टू शाउट एट मी कि यार तू बंद क्यों नहीं करता है. एंड आई वॉज वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. आई सेड मोशन सेंसर लगा लेते हैं बिकॉज आई कांट रिमेंबर एंड यू डोंट लाइक इट. So I started doing a lot of research and I came across Phynart. And I went to their Phoenix Market City store for a demo and was very impressed by their team and the demo and the quality of the products जो मैंने हाथ में लिए, especially at the price that they were offering. So and they were also saying कि आप बस एक product try कर लो, सब कुछ try करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And I don't have to do any rewiring of my electrical stuff at home. So I was very happy with all of that. I said, okay, done, let's try it. So I tried one product and for some reason all of us liked it so much that we started automating every single room one by one. Switches ko automate kar diya, AC, geyser, sab kuch. And by now I can control my entire home from my phone. And my family can also do the same thing. So it's pretty impressive. And plus we have light bill bhi kam aa gaya abhi पिछले 1-2-4 महीने से. So we are very happy about that. So thank you Phynart for giving such a good, sustainable and affordable solution.